Hello everyone, this is Bob, and today I'm going to show you how to sign up for Miro and get started just kind of playing around with it before our training, PDU training after the school year finishes. But it's never too late to continue to learn. The training will be on the 20th of June. It's a Monday at 11 o'clock in the morning. We'll be doing it on Teams. I'm going to show you why you need some tool like this. It'll be recorded so that you can see the training, the most beautiful part about online trainings. But first, I want you to go ahead and just sign up, see what it does. So Miro is, they call it an online collaborative whiteboard, but it's so much more. It's a presentation tool similar to Prezi. It's a way to gather resources to brainstorm for classes. Maybe you like getting YouTube videos that you can use in class. You can save them all there rather than, I don't know what you do, keep browsers open. You can use it for collaboration with other people. You can use it for classroom participation. There's just so much you can do with it. But you can check out some videos on the website that they have or search on YouTube for different things. And yeah, lots of different companies use it. It's got a lot of different integrations with Google, Microsoft Teams as well. And yeah, so go to the link that's on the poster that I sent, that the PDU unit has sent out. Go ahead, sign up using your something account. Which account? I gotta find it. Your IDU education account. And that way, once you sign up and make a password and everything, you can go to the second link where you can apply for a free education account. Choose educator, put your name in, your email address, where you work, study, higher university, Izmir Democracy University. What do you use it for teaching, for brainstorming, blah, blah, blah. Under employment status, what you want to do is either take a picture of your university ID, and you can upload it here. If you're also on the profile page for IDU, you can do that as well. For the accreditation confirmation, they want a screenshot of the institution's website confirming their accredited, officially recognized status. You can find it here, which I'll link to. I think if you just take a screenshot of this. Why don't I do that now? I'll send you the link. I don't know how to do. Yeah, I do. That's the one that works. Anyways, we'll just do a screenshot. Do another one. How do I add it all? Oh, yeah, I can get it all in there. Let's do a screenshot there. All right. I'll send you guys this so you can use this instead of doing it yourself every time. There we go. There's a screenshot. And then you just go back and you choose where that landed, which is going to be on my desktop somewhere, blah, blah, blah. I think that's it. You press submit. It'll take a day or two, and you'll get a confirmation, which means you'll have 100 boards to work with and to share with your students. So yeah, let's go. Let's look at Miro. So here's the app. You can just use it from the web page as well. I'm going to just make a quick one. I'm not going to really go into it too much with this limited amount of time. But you can, when you open up Miro, you can see there's different templates that you can use. You don't have to use these. Flowcharts, concept maps, things like that. Just kind of give you a layout so that you can start working right away. But I'm just going to show you some basic things. And I think the most important thing if you're using this tool is to know what the shortcuts are. So if you hover over each of these things on the left-hand side on the toolbar, you'll see that there's a shortcut for certain things. Let's just make text with T. I'm going to press that. I'm going to say, hello, everyone. And you can change colors. You can change the font. All of that wonderful stuff. You can change the background so it's like a different color. I think the coolest thing is this line. I'm going to add in arrows because they're dynamic. And let's say I add an arrow here. I can add another piece of text. We can start to kind of do this idea of concept mapping or mind mapping, I'm going to make a square there. Just say, how are you? And there's many different tools. You can format everything that you want. Post-it notes are always great. This is what I use in the classroom. Students can add little post-it notes that say, I'm fine. They can do whatever they want. It's great. You can move things around. You can box things together. You can zoom in and zoom out, fly around the screen like that. There's also other ways that you can add in images. You can add in these little different icons. I like my icons. Hold on. Can I find it? Get out of the way. There we go. Here's my icon finder. So let's just add a little, I don't know, strawberries. Because strawberries are in season. All right, this is getting long. That's it. You can have little things. Students can move things around. That you can share this with them. You can share this and just let them view so that they can see different resources. Last thing I want to show you, is that if you add a YouTube link, you can actually view the YouTube video within Miro. So it kind of makes it a cool way for students to be able to watch all of the different YouTube links that you want them to watch kind of within this board. And that's it. Kind of went overboard there, but wanted to show you how to use Miro. So sign up, get the educator account, play around with it, and then we'll do a training where we talk about different use cases, get you into groups so that you guys can collaborate on different things, mood boards, kind of throwing together a classroom, like a lesson plan. We'll see. All right. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you are all doing well, and I'll see you soon. Bye.